Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Marian Elise and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a part 2. Not really a part 2, it's kind of almost like a monthly thing just because this is the August unboxing for Sassy Beauty by Kindra. But yes, I know it is September. I know. So I'm gonna just tell y'all a little quick backstory. What happened was I received this package like probably 2 to 3 weeks ago, but I recorded and I lost all of my footage. It was a mess. So I was like, okay, since I just opened up everything and like did the whole video, I'm just gonna actually wait a while, use the products, and then come back. And when I do this like unboxing review again, I can actually tell y'all how I've been enjoying things and using it, you know? So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm still doing the unboxing for Sassy Beauty by Kindra. So let's get into the video. So this is my second package from Kindra. If you haven't watched the first video, you need to go watch the first video because she sent me some lashes and lip gloss and jewelry. And this time is that and even more. Okay, so we're just gonna hop straight into it. Here is the beautiful packaging with her logo on it. So everything is up in here, her website and her brand. If you don't know what Sassy Beauty by Kindra is, it is a black owned everything shop. She sells hair, clothes, lip gloss, sunglasses, everything. It's like your one-stop shop. You can buy a whole look, okay, a whole new look just by going to her store. So I'll make sure to leave all of her socials and website down below, and I also have a code for you to get some money off your order. So you can use my name, Marian Elise, and get some money off, okay? So before we get into the package, I want to actually show y'all something else that she sent that was kind of sent outside the box, but it's still a part of the unboxing. So she sent me this shirt, y'all. It says, "Thou shalt not try me, mood 24/7," and it has the tag on it. I haven't worn this yet because I actually wanted to save this. So there's her logo, her brand, her socials. So this is just one of the many items that she sells for clothing on her website in different colors. So go get y'all a t-shirt, okay? So now we're gonna get into what came in this box. Like I said, I did lose some of the original footage for this video, but I do have a video from when I first received the package when it was all neatly put together. So I'm gonna insert that right now as I get started on taking out these items. Everything in here was packaged so neat and so nicely, okay y'all? It was packaged to the T, like 10 out of 10. Wrapped in bags with the confetti. It was a party. It was so pretty. She does a wonderful job at putting it all together. So as far as jewelry goes, this is what I got this time. These beautiful hoop earrings. They are just gorgeous, y'all. And if you watched my previous video, you would have saw that she sent me this last time, which was a gold necklace and a gold bracelet. So now I have the earrings to match, okay? Something new that she added was an eyewear collection, and these are a pair of her sunglasses from the collection. And y'all, look at this. These are beautiful. Like, I love the tint on them. It's orange, it's summer. It is very hot, so these are very well needed. Girl, y'all, I feel famous with these on. Like, y'all don't see the color that I'm seeing, but just know it's beautiful, okay? These are gorgeous. Like, I've never had like a pair of sunglasses that were just like big and dramatic, and I think these are so cute. They don't match me right now, like, you know, I'm not dressed for them, but they are beautiful. And it's still hot outside. I live in Mississippi. It's heat, okay? It is heat, so these will come in handy. Yes they will. So next up, she sent me this aloe vera body shimmer oil, in the color and scent Money Mist. As y'all can see, it has a green tint to it, and I love a good shimmer. Like, you can put this on you and you'll just be glittering, and it smells good too. So I mean, oh, okay. Like, y'all, I don't know if y'all can really see the shimmer, but it's on there, y'all. I'm shimmering. It almost smells like watermelon, lemonade type of smell. So next up, she sent me this face oil, y'all. This oil right here, this is a face glow, and it helps with dark spots and dry skin, but it says it is suitable for all skin types. It has instructions on the bottom corner. I don't know if y'all can see it. Nope. Okay, so on the bottle it has instructions and the ingredients. It has lavender tea tree oil, and it smells amazing. As y'all can see, it's kind of, you know, I've been using it. I've been using this like every day under my makeup, and look at me, I'm glowing, and like, it works. Like, I promise y'all, I've been using this, and it's not, I'm really shocked that it's not as low as it is, because I've been using this like every day. It smells so good and refreshing, especially like in the morning when you want to wake up. It's something about that tea tree oil smell. It smells great. Alright guys, so next up we have her lashes. Okay, her 25mm lash collection. Well, 2 pairs from that collection, and they are right here. Okay, so y'all, this one is empty because I've actually been wearing this one, and these are in the style Princess. So we're gonna talk about this one later, but this is the other one in the style Doing Too Much. Okay, and let me show y'all why it's called Doing Too Much. Okay, let me show y'all. I love these little diamond containers. They are so cute. These are so full and dramatic. So if you love 25mm lashes, these are for you. If you like to go all the way with your lashes, these are it for you. So like I said, I've been wearing the other pair of lashes, so I'm just gonna insert pictures on the screen real quick just to show y'all, because I've been wearing those for like the past 2 weeks. So they kind of, y'all, I gotta wash them, but I promise I've been wearing them, so I'm gonna show y'all. They were beautiful, they were gorgeous, and those are in the style Princess. So yeah, she sent lashes the last time and I loved them then, and I still love them now. She also included this beautiful rose gold lash applicator, which I definitely have started to use because these are helpful. And last but not least, my personal favorites, the lip items. So she included a lip scrub this time. It is pink and green. It is a watermelon scented flavored, and as y'all can see, it's kind of empty. Not empty, but it's been used. Okay, I've been using it, and it is so soft. Like, some lip scrubs are really like grainy and it's like uncomfortable, and it doesn't like melt onto your lips, but this lip scrub is actually a lip scrub. Okay, it scrubs and it kind of dissolves as you scrub, which it should. So I definitely recommend. And she sent 4 beautiful lip glosses from her daughter's collection. So her daughter has a collection within her collection, which I think is so cute, y'all. So cute, y'all. I love these so much. I'm gonna try on all 4 so y'all can see how they look. as y'all can tell, those lip glosses are beautiful, and I saved this one for last because I've been wearing it for the past few days and it's my favorite one. Amazing. Also, Dandelion and Caramel Apple have scents in them. So Dandelion smells like cookies almost. It just reminds me of like a soft lemon cookie or something. And then Caramel Apple smells like caramel apple. And I love this one because of the tint. Like, do y'all see the lip tint? Like the little pink tint in it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I love it. And it's so soft. Like, this is the best mixture of lip gloss I have had in a while. So girl, and it's not greasy at all. You layer as much as you want to build up the shine, okay? So guys, that's all I have for today. Don't forget, you have a code, Marian Elise, to get money off of your order, okay? I'm gonna leave all of the information in this video down in the description box below so you can go get it for yourself on her website. Also, when you go follow her and her business, don't forget to follow me on my social media, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. September unboxing coming soon, because like I said, this was the August unboxing. We just had technical difficulties, so we had to delay it, but it's okay because it's still out. You're watching it right now. So September's coming soon. Stay tuned. Bye guys.